everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called the Sweetheart Tier Tray Collab. It's an open invite collaboration and that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY. Now, I have some beautiful hosts with me in this collab that we haven't seen a tier tray collab in a while. So let me mention them, guys. So we have Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. We have At Home with Lisa. She also has another channel called Living Life with Lisa. We also have Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Annalise Cupboard, Penny's Lifestyle Living, and Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, I'm going to be linking the hosts and all of the co-hosts down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because I cannot wait to see how everybody decorates their tier tray. Now, let's head on over here to the video. I just want to let you know what I did here. So I took two of the Dollar Tree chargers, those beautiful chargers, guys, and then they had this really nice vase. So I created my own tier tray. I do have other ones that I purchased, but I thought I would use a DIY one today. Now, what I showed you there was a cup. It was a novelty cup, guys. You can't drink coffee out of it, but it's in the shape of a cupcake, and I made a little floral arrangement with it. I thought I would place that, which was a thrifted item, after I decorated right on top of that tier tray because I thought it was so cute for Valentine's Day. Also, all the items mostly that I'm working with are pretty much all from the Dollar Tree. Now remember that every time you click the like button and full watch a video, this helps me to grow. And comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now also, I would love for you to let me know how often you would love to see these tier tray collabs coming, whether you want them more frequently, for more occasions. What do you guys think? Let me know so I can set them up for you. Now I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music so I can finish decorating this tier tray. And you know, if I'm doing it on the coffee table, I have to decorate that too. So I'll see you at the end. looks like the candles are lit, and we're gonna head on over to the reveal so I can show you this a little bit closer. Now I do want to take a moment and thank all of the beautiful hosts for helping me host this collab. I so appreciate you. Now you guys know I had to take that cross with me everywhere I go, and so in the tier tray it goes, or by the side, it don't matter, it's following me. So now I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.